Bitcoin is wildly volatile right now. But did you know there's a way to take advantage of the price of Bitcoin or Ethereum or other assets, whether they go up or down? But here's the problem. It's hard to be a trading expert. It's very difficult to learn technical analysis in and out, especially in a short time like this bull run. Today, we're going to take a look at Market Cipher, an indicator that makes it easy for you to make big gains even if you are a beginner. All you have to do is follow this proven method, and you guys can be making the gains in no time. I'm going to show you how today. Let's get it. BitSwap is the hottest new way to trade tokens. Crawling all the top decentralized exchanges, BitSwap gets you the very best price and value for your trades. BitSwap is changing the game. Try it now at bitswapdex.io. Welcome to BitBoy Crypto. My name is Ben. Every day on this channel, I show you how to make money in cryptocurrency. If you like money and crypto, then please make sure to hit that subscribe button. Also, if you like trading, make sure to smash that like button to help us out. Let's see if we can get 5,000 likes on this video. So today, guys, we're going to be discussing Market Cipher, what makes it great, and how beginners can use it to successfully trade. And this will be on swing trades, but today we're specifically going to be looking at how to trade on ByBit with Market Cipher. Now, first and foremost, anything that we have in terms of deals for cryptocurrency, you can find by visiting this page right here, bitboycrypto.com/deals. When you go here, you can click on ByBit and it will take you down to the ByBit section here, which is at the top. You guys can see my tutorial on how exactly to use ByBit if you have any questions. And then also, if you want to get a $500 deposit bonus, you can use the code JACKPOT. If you get this IP address is not supported error, then we show you how to solve that with a VPN. And right now, we're also having a ByBit trading competition. You can get to the link to sign up to the competition. We're giving away 1 full Bitcoin to the traders in that competition. So make sure to go sign up by visiting bitboycrypto.com/deals. You can also get to Market Cipher. We're going to fill this out. We're going to make some more content here for this. But to get Market Cipher, you can click on the link here. Once you go to Market Cipher, you are going to see how you can sign up for it. Basically, what you got to do is create an account. You got to see I got an account right there. You create an account. There's going to be tutorials on here you can watch to show how to use it. Once again, I'm going to be showing you today the simplest way to use Market Cipher with ByBit to make a lot of money. You guys can see right now I am in a trade. I'm up about $7 grand in this trade, up 20%, using exactly what I'm going to show you how to do today. But Market Cipher is going to plug onto TradingView. You are going to want a ByBit account. So the very first thing you got to make sure you do is sign up for your ByBit account before you get started with Market Cipher. So you're going to use Market Cipher. Market Cipher plugs right up to TradingView. So what's going to happen is you're going to create an account on Market Cipher. You're going to get an email. It's going to show you exactly how to go here to the indicators on TradingView. And then you're going to have something that says invite only scripts. And this is how you click it on and off. You can turn it on, or off just by clicking it. So what you have with Market Cipher, you have Market Cipher A up here, Market Cipher B down here. Market Cipher A is going to show you little icons of what to do. However, what we're going to really be focusing on is part B down here. We call this the oscillators. The Market Cipher B is what we call oscillators. There are different kinds of waves that basically indicate the momentum of cryptocurrency. We want to take advantage of momentum. Now, in a bull market, I am longing Bitcoin. Like, for instance, up here, I'm looking to get these bottoms here. We talked about this a little bit on our stream earlier today. Bottoms, we're trying to enter. Tops, we're trying to sell. We got in on this bottom down here earlier, made a quick little come up. We don't really have a lot of lines on the upside to tell us where we need to sell out at, so we're trying to lock in profit and things like that. But I'm going to show you guys the easiest way for beginners to use Market Cipher. First thing is, if you have not ever used TradingView before, you have different time frames. Obviously, we're going to be talking about trading Bitcoin today. You can also trade Ethereum, but you have different time frames. Anything 45 minutes and under, that's really quick trading. And basically, the lower the time frames you get, the less confirmation you have, the less surety you have that the price is going to go up. With Market Cipher A, you have red X's that means a continuum of downtrend. You have red diamonds that basically mean that you are at the beginning of a downtrend possibly. You have yellow X's, which means there could be manipulation. But on these shorter time frames, they don't mean nearly as much. Like you can look here, you got a green dot here at the bottom of Market Cipher, and the price just barely went up a couple $100. The easiest way for beginners to use Market Cipher is to be using the 1 hour through the 4 hour charts. So on the 1 hour charts here, you can see that right down here, we got a green dot on Market Cipher. Now, what does this green dot mean? Here's the beautiful thing. It doesn't matter. You don't need to know. You don't need to know exactly what goes in to formulating this green dot. It's proprietary to Market Cipher, so we don't even really know. But the reason you're using Market Cipher, the reason you are using a trading indicator is because you do not know how to do TA very well. If you knew TA in and out, you would not need an indicator. That's the shortcut that indicators help us to use. We're able to make moves on the market based on someone else's intelligence, someone else's experience, and we can shortcut that by using the trading tools that they provide us on the indicator. So here's what you need to know. When you see one of these green dots down here at the bottom, well, that's a bad example here. Let me show you this one. A green dot right here, that means to go long, okay? Now you can see here on the 1 hour chart, if you had done this, it was barely a come up and the price dropped back down and you got another green dot. But after that one, we got a pretty good rise. The 1 hour charts, the green dots on the 1 hour charts are not going to be as significant as the longer time frames. So a 2 hour chart here, a green dot here is going to be much more significant. If you look at this one right here on the right, ignore those two circles right there, we drew on the other chart, you would see that we've had a pretty significant move up, and that's the trade that I'm currently in. I have a stop loss put. We might have the stop loss here on the tutorial at 32,100, which is going to net me a 13% gain. I have a 13% gain locked in. But the green dot, this had gone all the way up to 25% at one time. I wanted to continue upside momentum and have that available, but I wanted to lock in profits. So I locked in those profits around 32,100. But the point is, the higher the time frame you go, okay, the more confident you can be in what is happening here with Market Cipher. So you come to the 4 hour chart. Kind of one thing I'm waiting on with Market Cipher right now is I am waiting on a green dot to appear on the 4 hour chart. And until this green dot appears down here, I don't feel confident, 100% confident, that the price is going to significantly go up. Now, if you come here and you look at the daily chart, look at the green dots on the daily chart. So if you are looking for some surefire wins, okay, if you are looking for some surefire wins, look at this daily print here. The last time you got a daily print of a green dot was back here on September 12th. The price of Bitcoin, $10,000. And look how high it's up. You could have made so much money on this ride up. And, you know, that's a really good way for beginners to get involved in trading is to look at these green dots specifically. Now, we're going to be doing more trading tutorials on Market Cipher in the future. But to me, this is pretty much the lowest level of trading that you can do and be successful by using Market Cipher. The 4 hour chart is a really good one. If you look back through the history of the 4 hour chart here, okay, you will see that we got 4 hour green dot prints on when the price of Bitcoin was around $17,000. And then you had another one right before that when the price also was around $17,000. Right now, with this momentum on the way down that we've had, as you guys can see, the thing that draws these into, that causes these green dots at the bottom to print are what are called these momentum waves, okay? And when you look at these momentum waves, you can see that anytime we get any action that goes below this white line right here, you guys see this white line? Anytime these momentum waves go down to the downside, it prints a large green dot when it's ready to move back up. Also, guys, you guys will see the dots that are on the waves themselves. You guys see those dots right there. You see a green dot right here. These are not nearly as strong. That's not what we're looking for. We are looking for these green dots. And any time now, maybe this hour even, maybe within the next couple hours, we should get a green dot here on the 4-hour chart, which means that this downward momentum should be bottoming out. And that is when you look to take advantage of the market and get in on some really good trades. This trade right here, up $6,000. I'm trading with about a Bitcoin is what I'm trading with here on 10x leverage. You guys can see I made $6,000. I've locked in at least, I think 4,500 is the low that I'm going to lock in. I've already got it locked in for profit. See my stop loss here set at 35,200. I'm sorry, my stop loss set at $32,100. I have profits locked in on this trade. Why did I make this trade? I made this trade, just like I talked about a little earlier on the stream, because on the 2-hour chart, you guys can see we got the green dot down here in the corner. It printed out. You can see on the 2-hour chart in the last, it looks like 3 months, we printed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So they're a little more frequent than the 4 hours, but the 4-hour green dots are going to be your go-to. But even here, when I got my green dot, I use low leverage at 10x. Well, 10x, a lot of people don't consider low leverage. I use upwards of 25, 30, sometimes never over that. But I use 10x leverage to take advantage of this market turn. That is what this is. It is when the market turns. And you can see here on the green dot, it looks like, or on the Market Cipher A up here on the chart itself, the market has turned, and that is what we are looking for. So if you want to take advantage, if you're newer to trading, of course, be responsible. Always use stop losses. Make sure to head on over to bitboycrypto.com/deals. Links will be down in the description. You guys can click down to the different sections. We have ByBit tutorial. Make sure you sign up for your ByBit account here. If you're interested in this, if you need a VPN, we have a VPN that you can use right there. And don't forget to sign up for our trading competition. You guys can see here, we're right now at 0.23 BTC. We will be giving away a full Bitcoin for this trading competition. So we need some more people to sign up. So go ahead and get your spot. That is on that page as well. And then, of course, if you want to sign up for Market Cipher, you can get that right here on this page as well. And if you stick to the green dot strategy and you use proper leverage and proper stop losses, proper stop losses, you are almost, I don't want to say guaranteed, we can't say guaranteed, but you are putting yourself in a very good position to make money trading. When you want to use more advanced strategies, we'll be showing you some of those on Market Cipher as well, but this is pretty much a win strategy. I've used it very consistently. If you guys look at my trading account here on ByBit, you guys can see that when it comes to Bitcoin specifically, closed P&L, right now we are 8 wins in a row. On ByBit using Market Cipher, we're up almost a full Bitcoin in the last couple of weeks on this account. So if you want to sign up, make sure to head on over to bitboycrypto.com/deals. And guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to drop a comment down below if you like Market Cipher, if you like ByBit, if you've had success or failures with it. Make sure to drop those down below. Smash the like button on your way out if you're interested in trading. That's all I got. Be blessed. BitBoy out.